Hello YouTube, this is Dazza the cameraman, and this is the hangout we've all been waiting for. The Sunday roast, Sleeping Warrior Anthony Liley, Hoylake revisited. Shawn Hufford and Samson will join me to settle once and for all whether or not any of the images presented by Sleeping Warrior Anthony Liley were taken from Hoylake as he claimed. Where were they really taken from? What was the object Liley originally identified as Blackpool Tower? Did he lie? The hangout will start at 2300 Sunday UTC time, 6 PM Sunday Eastern time. You'll find a link in the description area. So join us for coffee and donuts. We'll see you then. Thank you for watching.